Okay, today we are going to look at two variable statistics on the TI-Nspire calculator, which for us amounts to linear regression, so finding the line of best fit. It amounts to finding the correlation coefficient and making scatter plots and actually graphing the line of best fit. So like most of the statistics stuff we do on the calculator, it all starts with a spreadsheet. So you open up the list in spreadsheet. Let's name our columns. So I'm going to make, this is two variables. So we have an X and a Y, independent and a dependent. So I'm going to say, let's say my X values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My Y values are, 0.5, 1.2, 1.4. I'm making these up as I go. 0. Usually these would be given to you in a question. And okay, so those are our X and our Y values. So now we can calculate the correlation coefficient right inside the spreadsheet. You go Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculations, and now instead of one variable like before, we do two variables. So click that. We have column A as our X and B as our Y. You need those little square brackets. And it's fine to output an E. There's no frequency list, category list, or categories. Okay, and so it spits out a bunch of stuff. Basically, a lot of the one variable stats here for both X and for Y. So you can get the standard deviation and the mean of each list separately. And what we are really interested in is the R value. So this is a strong positive correlation of 0.91. This might say negative 0.1 for a different data set. It could say anything between -1 and 1, which we talked about extensively in class. Okay, so now let's actually graph our X and our Y in a scatter plot, and let's find the line of best fit. So you want to go to Doc, Insert. You want to insert a data and statistics page. Click that, and now you need to tell this graph which variable goes on the x-axis and which goes on the y. So I've named mine x and y. You have to have named your columns or else it won't show up here. So I click x, has a very smooth animation. I'll give the y, and we see our data. It is positive correlation. Let's graph the line of best fit. In order to do that, Menu, Analyze, Regression. Regression is the process of fitting a curve to data. Go Show Linear. You can do mx plus b form, the first one. It's the one you're probably most comfortable with. You click it, it graphs the line, and it gives you the equation. So we see as positive slope as we would expect, and we can now use this to predict other values. So that's basically all the two variable stats you need to know for our unit.